Hey, Jordan here from Flashpricer, and it is a great start 2025. Wanted to show you another huge piece, maybe the biggest part of our new release, which is the Advanced Insights tab. So we used to have a small little popover that showed up when you would click on the Advanced Insights, and it would give you a few things about like historical price changes and stuff like that, graphs. We've expanded upon that massively. And so I'm going to show you around a little bit how it works. So if you click on the Advanced Insights button over here, we get this whole new beautiful tray, let's call it. This tray is expandable and contractible, and so that's so that you can, use the surface area to soak in as much data as you possibly need, but you can also review what's in the data tab while still seeing products behind it, and everything else behind it is still fully functional. You can change things over here without getting in the way of this tray, or you can analyze both at the same time. So let's just start from top to bottom, and I'm going to expand this just a bit so we can see what's going on. First, you get the product image and the SKU, description, title name, item ID or ASIN, depending on Walmart or Amazon, and the strategy that's assigned to it. As I continue scrolling, you'll notice that you lose the product image up here and the product information, but you still get, now you get a popover of the SKU and the item ID over here, which you can easily copy if you wanted to do further analysis. Let's say you wanted to just look at that specific product behind and get rid of all the rest. That's not a problem. Just copy and paste that into the search bar. Now you're looking at the information for both things at the same time. And of course, we talked about hiding the charts before. So now you're really got a nice pane and view. This is a chart that you've seen before. We expanded on it. So this tells you the start and end date of the range, the average price you sold this product at, the average price that it's at, and the average price that it sells at, the highest and lowest it's ever been on the listing. While you're overlaying, while you're scrolling over the chart itself, you could see which date your price was, your competitor's price, your min price, etc., and where all the orders are coming in at, what prices they're coming in at. Also, this background over here means that you were holding the buy box during that time. A beautiful, beautiful chart to help you understand more about what Flashpricer is doing for you. Next, you get a sales and profit distribution by price chart. This is something that nobody else in the industry is doing. This is really next level business intelligence for you and your products. And this is by the date range that we select over here. So we could say between the time frame of January and February, or if we wanted to narrow it down even more, this product sells a lot. So we wanted to see at what price point we're making the most sales and profit at, right? So if you read this, how to read this chart, in the time period selected between this and this time, at the price of $54.14, which we see right here, you sold 13 units, generating the highest revenue of $703.82. Now that's crazy and that's cool. And this just really gives you an idea of like where, at what price this item sells the most at, like what the highest sales velocity is at for this item. And we're going to be using this to feed our AI and to feed our machine learning going forward when we release those pieces of functionality. So this is the first step to like us really putting the information in front of you that for you to analyze, but also for our system to be aggregating the data and providing you the most value out of it. Next, on the overview page, you get another piece of functionality that nobody else in the industry is offering right now. Again, a lot more business intelligence coming out of Flashpricer right now. This will give you an idea of how your products are selling, how many units sold, or order counts, or revenue is being produced, or all of them at the same time. You could see on the day of week and down to the month and day of week for each of these scripts here: profit, revenue, order count, and units sold. You can literally see the seasonality and all the rest. And this really gives you a whole slew of data. Again, this will be pushed through our AI and business intelligence and machine learning in order to help us obtaining the buy box at the highest price possible and maintaining sales velocity in the future for repricing within Flashpricer. On the next video, I'll talk about repricing events and orders. This one's already a little bit too long, but it really was worth the while to go through each of these things individually because there's a ton of data here and stuff that you will not find anywhere else in any other software within the e-commerce SaaS ecosphere for Walmart, definitely for Walmart, and also even beg to say for Amazon either. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. Please use this stuff to the best of your ability to make pricing decisions and to make sourcing decisions for the future, how many you need in stock, what average price you could sell at, and so on and so forth. And I really think this is going to come in handy for a ton of our sellers. So use it, abuse it, let us know what you think. And if you need us, success@flashpricer.com. We're always here for you. Thank you.